Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Sakshi, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the rivalry build-up of Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns on SmackDown. Not only that, the retirement theory of Daniel Bryan that's been coming up right now. Also, the thrashback controversy that's been going on in a trending one with Mickie James, and the return date of Aleister Black. So stay tuned guys, this video has some big news. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start with is about Mickie James controversy with the thrash back that is going on right now. So we all get to know after WrestleMania 37 that Mickie James has been released by WWE, and Mickie James has tweeted this day before yesterday that she wants to thank Vince McMahon and she has got the package from WWE. So it is a photo of the thrash bag where a tag is written Mickie. So this create a big controversy regarding, because this thrash bag it was WWE, it was sent from WWE just as a retirement prize to a player. So it was a big insult to a Hall of Fame, to a kind of a Hall of Famer player like Mickie James, to any other player I believe. So by replying to that, Triple H is really got really angry. Stephanie McMahon got really angry, and they have also told that WWE is they are totally sorry on behalf of all the members of WWE, because WWE has nothing to do with this, because this kind of package has been sent by their directors. They have hired some of the directors. It's got a package of the superstar where the belongings of the superstar has been sent to the retired ones. So Stephanie McMahon and Triple H both have confirmed that they have suspended that particular person who is responsible of sending the WWE package in a trash bag. This is a big insult to a superstar. Also after that, when it was heard that WWE suspended their director who has been responsible for this, his name is Mark Corano, Mickie James has also tweeted that she knows that WWE is not responsible for that. She also feels sorry that someone has lost his job for her. So it's a big kind of thing that's been going on, but it's a kind of an insult to a player when package has been received in a trash bag. It's like a dustbin. So you are out from the company, so we have been throwing you in the dustbin. Okay, so the next news is about Aleister Black. So Aleister Black recently got a big promo on SmackDown where he was talking about the tales of the death. He was talking, he was acting like a dark father. The theme was quite interesting. We haven't seen in this kind of appearance for Aleister Black. But when will Aleister Black return? So the big news that's been coming up is that Aleister Black might return on WrestleMania Backlash. So he might return with a big feud coming up on SmackDown. So this is a big thing for his career. We still don't know who his opponent will be, but it's a big thing that's been coming up. We haven't seen him from last year, so let's see when he returns. But this Mortal Kombat thing, or this dark theme of Aleister Black, looks really creepy and really promising. Okay, now the next news is about the retirement theory of Daniel Bryan. So after Roman Reigns has challenged Daniel Bryan for a universal title match next week, where Roman Reigns has claimed that if Daniel Bryan loses, he doesn't want to see Bryan on SmackDown again. So after that, many fans are creating a theory that this might be the retirement of Daniel Bryan. Even Daniel Bryan has told before WrestleMania only that he hasn't have much time left in his career. So is this the end of the Yes King? The thing is that we still don't know that whether Daniel Bryan will take some time off from WWE or will have his retirement, because it's fact quite sure that Roman Reigns will not lose the championship to Daniel Bryan, at least on a weekly show on SmackDown. So then the build up of Roman's character will all go in vain. So it's a big thing that's been coming up, that when Daniel Bryan loses next week, whether he will retire. But there is no such confirmation that whether he will retire or not. the thing that's been coming out that yes, Daniel Bryan can take some time off from WWE TV during the whole pandemic situation. WWE were, pandemic situation. Daniel Bryan was there on WWE. He, come every week and wrestle. So it's a big thing. WWE may think of a time off for Daniel Bryan and may plan a big return, after some time. So this is the theory. This is not a retirement, but let's see what happens. What's next for Daniel Bryan? Okay. Now the final news, that is a rivalry build-up of Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns. See, when the opening segment of last SmackDown happened, there was a big pop when Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns, after a long time, came together in the same time, in the same stage. But the thing is, then they both ignored each other. So the thing happens that, Jey Uso and Seth Rollins was having some conversation with Cesaro and Daniel Bryan, and both Seth and Jey Uso was outside the ring. But when Roman Reigns appeared, he was directly speaking to Jey Uso, he was speaking to Cesaro and Daniel Bryan, but not to Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins has also not spoken a word with Roman Reigns. They haven't acknowledged each other in a big way. So is this the starting point of their big rivalry for the Universal title? It may happen, because it's a big news that, in the coming up months, Seth Rollins versus Roman Reigns for the Universal title will have a big feud, but Seth Rollins can be a baby face and Roman Reigns can be a top heel. So let's see what happens, how the storyline goes in SmackDown. But I personally really like what happens on SmackDown. Ignoring each other is the best thing for the rivalry build up. So this is the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.